Hi guys, this is how to be a ghost in Brookhaven, and this isn't my car. Um, you're totally not my car. See, not my car. Yeah. Okay, on to the video. So, how to be a ghost it's pretty simple. What you want to do first is you want to go into chat and you want to type so you want to do a capital A, and then you want to go IDAN, so that spells Aiden, Lee, and then you're going to go WOLF. So Aiden Lee Wolf, and then you go enter, and it makes you do this cool emote. What you then want to do? What happened to my voice? I don't know. Uh, oh god. Oh, my voice is better now. Don't know how that happened. Um, you want to get no face, so I'll just get a random face. Get rid of the face. Actually, you don't want to do that because we're not even going to be doing that. Just want to get the one in here on this little guy thing, and you scroll down. You scroll down till you see ghost. You put it on, and you may be thinking, okay, you can still see the arms, but no, that's okay. What you want to do now is just change your skin color to white, and then you want to go to Rockstar, and you can change your pants until you find the one where it makes you have no pants. And then you do that same thing with the shirt. Just look for that. Oh, I think I found it, but then I went on to another shirt now. Come on. Come on. We can do this, guys. Oh, God. We got it, but then I stopped it. Oh, it was so sad. So, I'm just gonna pause filming and get this right. I'll see you in about half a second. Okay, finally got it. Yeah. So this makes you kind of like a ghost, and that's what you want for the ghost. Yeah, so it's really cool. I recommend oh, no, don't want to do that. I recommend making you have like a bit small, making your avatar a bit small, because then it makes it look like you're a bit more up in floating. That's funny. It's really cool how Wolfpack programmed all these games. Like, take a look. All these games. But Brookhaven is my favorite one. I love Brookhaven. I love the game passes. I mean, and I even have my own private server. Please tell me how to let you guys join. So this is just video on how to be a ghost for fun. But yeah. Boom. Wait, what? Where am I? Whenever I say I seem to teleport to random places. This is weird. Well, I'm just trying to say the word to scare you. So I'm just gonna say this word then. Rah! Did that scare you? Well, that's just sad. Maybe I can find another way to scare you. Hang on. Let me get to my computer. Where's the video? Here it is. Ah, damn it. Ads for the video. Well, just gotta wait for the ad to end. Okay, this will scare you now. Oh, 2 ads. Ha, this will scare you. Rah! Oh my god. That ghost was really scary. I mean, he went on his computer and tried to scare you. Yeah, I didn't get scared though. Totally. didn't get scared. Subscribe.